Welcome to QG Software. In this video, we will see the Incoterms. X work. Seller is responsible for making good available at the designated place in well-packed condition. Buyer is responsible to clear goods for export and arrange transport and pickup after he collects cargo from the seller. It maximizes buyer's risks and responsibilities. In cross-border transaction, it creates practical difficulties as buyer has to arrange transportation and load cargo in export country. Free carrier. Seller is responsible for delivering the good to buyer's nominated port, also known as named place. Seller is responsible for loading charge, delivery cargo to the port or place from where it will be exported. Seller will pay export duty, taxes, custom clearance in origin country. Buyer will be responsible for original terminal charges, loading on carriage, freight charge, unloading at destination port, import duty, taxes and custom clearance in destination country. Carriage paid to. Seller pays for carriage of good up to named place of destination. Goods are considered to be delivered when could have been handed over to first or the main carrier. Risk transfers to the buyer upon handing over of the good to the carrier at place of shipment and country of export. Seller is responsible for origin cost including export clearance and freight cost for carriage to the named place of destination. Carriage and insurance paid to. It's similar to carriage paid to, with the exception that seller is required to obtain insurance for good while in transit. Carriage and insurance paid to requires seller to insure good for at least 110% of the contract value. Delivery at place on load. Seller is responsible for delivery of good at the named place of destination. Seller covers all the cost of transport, export fee, carriage, unloading from main carrier at the destination port. All the charges after unloading the goods at destination port like import duty, taxes, custom clearance and are to be borne by the buyer. Delivered at place. Seller delivers when goods are placed at the disposal of buyer on arriving means of transport ready for unloading at the named place of destination. Risk passes to buyer from the point of destination mentioned in contract of delivery. Seller is responsible for necessary packing, legal formalities in exporting country and clear the good for export. Seller pays all carriage expenses up to agreed destination port. After arrival in destination country, buyer will be responsible for custom clearance, custom duties and taxes. Delivered duty paid. Seller is responsible for delivering the good to named place in country of buyer. Seller pays all the cost and bringing the good to destination including import duties and taxes. No risk or responsibility is transferred to buyer until delivery of the good is made at the named place of destination. Free alongside. Seller delivers when goods are placed alongside buyer's vessel at named port of shipment. Buyer has to bear all cost and risks of loss or damage to good from that point. Seller shall clear the good for export. Free on board. Seller bears all the cost and risks up to the point the goods are loaded on board the ship. Seller has to arrange export clearance. Buyer has to pay freight, bill of lading fees, insurance, unloading, and transportation costs from arrival port to the destination port. FOB or free on board is used for non-containerized sea freight and inland waterway transport. Cost and freight. Seller pays for the carriage of good up to named port of destination. Risks transferred to buyer when goods have been loaded or on board the ship in country of export. Seller is responsible for export clearance and freight cost for carriage up to the port of destination. Seller is not responsible for final destination from the port of destination, and buyer will be responsible for insurance, cost insurance and freight. Seller pays for insurance and carriage of good up to named port of destination. Seller has to insure good for that is 110% of the contract value. Seller's obligation ends when documents are handed over to the buyer.